Hey everybody. So remember last week when we opened the starter kit from Young Living and it had all of these oils in it? This is the box of the starter kit. So this is the beginning of a series. I am going to be going through all of the essential oils that came in the starter kit, and I'm going to just do a short video on different ideas of how to use each and every one of them. Now, this is just not everything, because I'm telling you, these oils are just amazing. There is so much stuff that I have not learned yet, or I have not tried yet with every single one of these oils. And I'm learning something new every single day. So this will be an ongoing forever. There's not enough time in the world for us to discover everything that we can do with these oils. So I hope you stick with me. I'm going to try to keep these short and brief. And then we can move on to the next one and the next one and the next one. And then once we cover all of them, there are so many other oils out there that we are going to just have a ball learning about all these essential oils. I'm excited. I hope you are. So our first oil in our kit is the Stress Away oil. This is what comes in the kit. Now, what does Stress Away oil do? The name says it all. It helps take the stress of everyday life away. It makes things easier to cope with. It's calm in a bottle. Seriously. Doesn't that sound amazing? It is. I'm serious. You can just, seriously, you can just open it up and, oh, I love the smell. It has a sweet smell. It's very sweet, and it's not overpowering like some oils are. Very, whew, this one, you seriously could just sniff that all day. It's a good smell. So what makes up the Stress Away oil? It has in it lime. Oh, that's probably what it is. Lime, cedarwood, vanilla, lavender, copaiba, and Octotea. Okay, so that's the reason why it smells so sweet. I wasn't thinking about that. The lime, the vanilla, and the lavender. I love the smell of cedarwood also. And, copaiba and Octotea. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but that's what I call it, is Octotea. And remember that this combination promotes calmness. Essential oils are so versatile. Lime, for instance. In another combo, lime could be used for energy. But with the combination of these particular essential oils, it helps us get rid of stress. See, lime in Stress Away is used to improve your alertness. And it helps us focus on the right here and right now, not the entire world's problems. Because let's be honest, it is real easy to concentrate on the world's problems and not just on our own problems, right? We are bombarded with 24/7 news, and so we need to concentrate on us and our family and what's going on with us. If we look at our own problems, we may see something we don't want to see. But with the lime portion of this essential oil, we are focusing on the right here and right now. Or in other words, we're concentrating on us. Cedarwood is becoming another one of my all-time favorite oils. I've been using this a lot during our last bout with COVID. I would put it every single night. I would put cedarwood, 6 drops of cedarwood in my bath water and soak and let the steam come up, and oh man, it helped with opening up and helping with the congestion. And you know, like I said, after this series I will go to different oils, so I know I'll have an oil video on cedarwood. Now on this combination that makes up Stress Away, cedarwood is used to promote grounding and to calm the mind. Cedarwood is just amazing, y'all. It's just, all these oils are just amazing. I get so excited. Sorry. Vanilla. Who doesn't like vanilla? Don't answer that. I know some people don't like vanilla. Vanilla, along with the other essential oil combos, helps relieve stress. And it's an antidepressant. Now, who doesn't like vanilla? After I said that, I bet everybody wants vanilla in this combo with Stress Away, because it helps with depression. It's an antidepressant. Copaiba, that's how I pronounce it. I probably don't pronounce that the right way, but I love this oil. I had no idea what copaiba did for the longest time. I had gotten it in my kit, no idea. I just let it sit. But once I did some research, I know I'm a broken record, but I fell in love with this oil. With this combination, copaiba is used in Stress Away to help balance blood pressure. Hello? Who wouldn't like that? And finally, Octotea. This magical, I call it magical oil helps manage pain, reduce blood sugar, and levels out your anxiety. I think, you know, because of what I do, I'm a tax accountant, I think I need a gallon of this Stress Away in my office and have it run 24/7 over the next few months. I'm just saying. So now let's talk about how we can use the Stress Away. You can diffuse it. Remember, you fill your diffuser up to the fill mark, and then you can put 6 drops in there and just diffuse it just like that. You can rub it on your wrists, just straight up, drop a drop on your wrist and rub it in. You can rub it on your temples. You can rub it on your neck, right in here. You can open the bottle and inhale like I did just a few minutes ago. All very good ways to use Stress Away. My favorite is to diffuse it. That way, everybody that walks in my office gets a little dose of the calmness while they're there. Let me ask you a question. Mamas, do y'all have a fussy toddler? They're all fussy sometimes. You can actually make homemade Play-Doh by combining 1 cup of flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of that cream of tartar, 1/4 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 cup of water. And then you mix all that together on a medium heat, in a pan in a medium heat, and you just stir it, continuously stir it until it turns into a ball. All right, so once that is done, you remove the ball from the heat, and once it's cool, you can put 2 or 3 drops of Stress Away on the ball and rub it in there, get it all in there. And then you let your toddler play with the homemade Play-Doh, and they're getting the stress away and they calm down. Wouldn't that be amazing? It is amazing. So, my favorite is to drop about whenever it's been a horrific day and my stress level is to here and I forgot to diffuse this beauty at the office. I will come in and, like I did with the Cedarwood during COVID, I will fill a bathtub full of hot water and I'll put about 6 drops in here and I will soak for at least 15 minutes. And it just seems to just take all that stress away. Man. And I do this right before bed. So I'm calm, go to bed. Everything's wonderful for the rest of the night. Last but not least, and definitely not the only diffuser blend, but I saw this one on Pinterest and I wanted to tell y'all about it. It's called the Happy Mama. Everybody wants a happy mama. So you do 4 drops of Stress Away and 2 drops of orange. And man, talk about, because the orange has an uplifting, beautiful smell too, and then combined with the Stress Away, yeah, I can see that being Happy Mama. So try that diffuser blend and see how you like it. But anyway, that is our video on Stress Away. We're going to have more videos coming soon on the other different oils that came in your kit. All right, so we'll see you on the next one. Bye.